until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
CWKVW goes off for Nicholas County.
Daylight time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Summersville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour.
Yep.
Hazard, 60 miles
National
per hour.
Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Summersville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Summersville, Richwood, Craigsville, Nettie, Canvas, and Mount Nebo. This includes Route 19 between mile markers 31 and 44.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Nicholas County and southeastern West Virginia until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Summersville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage expected. Locations impacted include Summersville, Richwood, Craigsville, Nettie, Canvas, and Mount Nebo. This includes Route 19 between mile markers 31 and 44. Thunderstorm, 71 degrees, the wind gusts to 35 miles an hour. Now, for the official National Weather Service forecast for the greater Charleston area, issued at 3:46 p.m. Tonight,
Stupid.
mostly cloudy with a chance of
Yeah,
thunderstorms until midnight, and most of the lows around 70. Light and variable winds.
I know it's that. Donovan, Khalifa.